In the previous class we have finished this chapter. So now in this class we are going to discuss the question answer. So short questions you will get in PDF. We will start from short answer questions, that is G number. Define in one line adolescence and puberty. Number 1 and number 3, adolescence and puberty, you will get in keywords. Adolescence and poverty you can write from keyword. Number 2, secondary sexual characters, page 128. So here you will write, listen carefully, here you will write the features which help in distinguishing the males from the females are referred to as secondary sexual characteristics. Only this one line. Next is number 4, Adam's apple, page 128. This is you have to write the voice box or larynx increases in size, which results in a change in voice. So this is more prominent among the boys, and a large lump called Adam's apple is visible in the neck region. Next, H number. Answer the following in brief. Number 1, why endocrine glands are known as ductless gland? So endocrine glands are known as ductless gland because we will go to page 26. You will write because, then we will go to page 120. Because these glands do not have any ducts or tubes for the transportation of hormones from one part of the body to other, so they are known as ductless gland. This is H number 1. Next, number 2, name any two endocrine glands and hormones secreted by them, page 127. This is page 127. So name any two endocrine glands and hormones secreted by them. So many glands and hormones are there. Any two you can write: thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, testes, ovaries, pituitary. So from all these glands, any two and their hormone you will write. I had just ticked the first two. You can write any two from the list. Number 3, what are hormones? Page 125 and 26. 126. Here, page 125, we will start. The glands are located at specific places inside our bodies and they release chemical substances known as hormones. This is our H number 3, page 125 and 126. Next is adolescence and puberty. Define. Same as this one, write from the keywords. Then number 5. What is the emergency? Which is the emergency gland and name its secretion? Page 126. The adrenal gland is known as emergency gland since it helps the body in responding to emergency situations, and its secretion is adrenaline. Adrenal gland, its secretion is adrenaline. So you will write from here H number 5. H number 6. What are secondary sexual characters? Page 128. This is our H number 6. From here to here you can write. Here to here, H number 6. Next, H number 7. What is menstruation? Page 129. The process and cycle of producing and releasing mature ova is known as menstruation. This one, H number 7, page 129. Number 8, name any 3 physical changes occurring during puberty. Page 128. Any 3 physical changes you can write: increase in height, change in body shape, body hair, voice changes, increased activity of secreting glands. So any 3 point you can write. Only heading you will write. Only this one. Only heading you will write. Next, what is addiction? Discuss briefly. Page 130. So once a person starts taking drugs, they become physically or psychologically dependent on the drugs. This dependence is known as addiction. Page number 130. I number 1. Name all the hormone producing glands and their secretion which are present in humans. Page 127. So this is the all the glands and this is their secretion. So you will write all the glands and their hormones or the secretions. Page 127. Discuss number 2. Discuss the role of hormones in initiating reproductive function in humans. Page 129. From here you can write I number 2, from here you can write a hormone secreted by the pituitary gland stimulates the ovary to release mature ovum. The ovaries will release two important hormones, estrogen and progesterone, which change the lining of the uterus wall. Then the ovum travels through the fallopian tube. If the ovum doesn't get fertilized by male sperm, then it dies and starts disintegrating and the hormonal levels drop. This is I number 2. Number 3, what do you understand by drug abuse? How and why it is harmful? So for drug abuse, from here you can write, here to here you can write, and from here some more points you can add. So this paragraph you have to write for the drug abuse. Then it is harmful. It is harmful because it leads to physical and mental health problems. So it is harmful because it leads to physical and mental health problems. Next, discuss the nutritional, personal and physical needs of the adolescents. That also page 130. For nutritional needs of the adolescents, you can write these 3 points. This is for nutritional needs, these 3 points. Then this is for personal hygiene and this is for physical exercise. These 3 points you have to write. Number 5, what are the changes observed at puberty in both boys and girls? Page 128. These are the changes: increase in height, change in body shape, body hair, voice change, increased activity of secreting glands, development of sense organs, reaching maturity. So here you have to write that children gain height during adolescence. The rate of growth varies from individual to individual. Girls grows faster than boys initially, but both of them reach their maximum height by 18 years of age. Then boys develop muscles and shoulders became broader, wherein girls hips broaden and pelvic region widens. Body hair during puberty, hair starts to grow under armpits in the pubic region for both boys and girls. Then the voice change takes place, and among the boys and large lump like Adam's apple is visible. Then the sweat and oil glands in the body become very active and cause increased sweating. And development of sex organs. In girls, the ovaries enlarge and start producing mature eggs, and in boys, testes and penis develop completely and the testes start producing sperms. Then reaching maturity during puberty, among girls, breast increase in size and milk producing glands called mammary glands develop inside them. So this is all your question answer. You have to write them in your copy and learn them. You will get a PDF file that is also attached with it. So you can write other short questions or question answers from that.